A high-protein meatball recipe that you can prepare without using any meat. Add a glass of green lentils into the pot. Add cold water until it covers. Stir once and cover the pot. Put it on high heat until the water boils, and then on low heat until the water boils. Boil the lentils until they are completely soft. Lentils are completely soft. They are completely crushed when you press them with a spoon. Now turn off the stove. We drain the water from the boiled lentils. We puree it with a blender. If you add very little water and put it in the blender will not have any difficulty. I put the pureed green lentils into the bowl. I'll put the lentils aside for now and continue with the other steps of the recipe. Grate 1 small onion and 1 clove of garlic using the small side of a grater. Now combine all ingredients. I add boiled lentils, grated onion and garlic. 1 egg on top. We add the spices we want. I used salt, black pepper, red pepper powder, thyme and cumin. You can add any spices you want at this stage. Mix all the ingredients first. Thicken the consistency a little more. I will use bread crumbs to thicken the consistency. If you have stale bread on hand, you can crumble it and use it too. The less you affect the breadcrumbs, the more juicy and tender the meatballs will be. Add it slowly and mix until it reaches a sticky consistency. I used about half a cup of breadcrumbs. We can start shaping meatballs. I do it by wetting my hands. Shape it into meatballs like this. I take it on the board. Now we can start cooking the meatballs in a suitable pan. I added 1 finger thick sunflower oil and wait until it heats up. After the oil is fully heated, we slowly add the meatballs into it. We cook front and back. I prepared some of them in detail. Cook it differently. I will share the result with you. The meatballs were cooked. I put them all on a plate. Both round ones and long ones. You can do as you wish. Close up, let me show you the inside. A high-protein meatball recipe that you can prepare without using any meat. Close up, let me show you the inside. A high-protein meatball recipe that you can prepare without using any meat.